Alright, what's up, y'all? It's 202 Ink, and my hair look crazy. But, forget my hair. We here for something else. Back with the hygiene videos. Oh, and it came like this. That's cool. So, if you see by the title, I'm catching the cold, y'all. If you see by the title, but not COVID. If you see by the title, we got some sponges. Now, I've been telling y'all I like self-care and body washes and all this and that. Yeah, washcloths is cool, but I love me a good sponge. So as you can see, they fat as a mug. Got these on Black Friday. You already know I had to get some. And I got some more Method Body Wash. Video coming soon. But look how it come to all smushed and stuff. So definitely got to add some water to open it up. So that's what I'm about to show y'all. And I'm about to get in the bath. I need something to open this with. This should do something. Damn, that was not smart. Something had a little bit of rust on it. Alright, here we go. So, this is how thin it comes. The video, instructions. Soak it fully in water. So, soak it fully in water. Squeeze 2 to 3 times. Squeeze the remaining water out. So, I'll be stupid if I put my iPad next to the bath, right? So, we got a nice little bowl that we're going to stick this in, fully in water. Alright. You can see it puffed up just a little bit. And it got a little thing, so we'll just go ahead and do that. I'm talking about 2 or 3 times. I'm going to just go put this in the water real quick. Hold on. Real water. Okay, here we go. Dang, that junk did it. Look how thick that is compared to when it was right here. So that's cool. It feel like good quality too. Because I was getting these junks from like Roses and Dollar Tree. But it's like after like 2 weeks or so, it'll be done. So this junk better last me more than 2 weeks. I guess I'll put this right here real quick. Because like I said, I'm about to get in the bath. Ooh, and I got the chill. So that's it, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Get you a sponge. Or they got these for men. They got these little shower tools things. They got like 2 sizes. One of my homeboys said he used this glove thing. So I'm just trying to let y'all know. Some people don't be knowing about stuff, or you never know what you might like. Do I got any? I'm gonna have to do something about this. But that's the end of this video, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe, share. I'm gone. Probably gonna post this joint while I'm in the bath. Don't feel that good. Y'all know what I need to invest in. I fixed my ponytail, but not all the way. But y'all know what I need to invest in? One of them little trays that you sit over the tub or whatever, and you could be on your laptop or this and that. Read you a book or something. I be trying to work on my posture, y'all. Because you know in the back, you want to be like this. I be trying to work on my posture. But, let's get back to this bad boy, right? Nice and thick. This don't definitely feel good. I should get a big... I should go get the other one. I saw one today when I was in the store. I should have got it so I can compare it. But, let's try it. We got the Method Body Wash. Like I'm sponsored. I don't never use a lot. I just did a little line. Y'all see that? So, rub that in. Stick it in the water. Let's see what it's hitting on real quick. Hold up. Man, this joint dry like, yeah. Look at that laughing. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. This joint gonna do me good, y'all. This joint definitely gonna do me good. Hell yeah. Alright, y'all, that's really the end of this video. I'll leave the link. I'm definitely about to start the affiliate thing. And if you get one, let me know. But, for real, y'all, like, comment, subscribe, share.